you do need a website as a creator, aspiring entrepreneur, or aspiring business owner. But you may not have the resources yet. You probably need money right now. I found a tool. It's called Snipfeed, and I'm gonna take you to my computer so you can set up your own Snipfeed from start to finish. I'll even show you a few of the resources that they have. The very first reason why I think it's the best is because of the free feature. Sometimes you have to invest in your business. But as a new business owner, sometimes we have so many subscriptions: Planoly, Zoom, Canva, your email, so many things. Snipfeed has a free version. Start selling your ebooks, your coaching, then you can upgrade and get better features. We're gonna set it up, open a new tab. Let's go do it together and start making money by the end of this video. Start from the beginning, click that link below. I'm gonna go to the website and sign up for free. The difference between the two, paid versus free, I really think that you should go for the pro, but I understand that sometimes you may not be able to right away. Not only do you get a custom domain like workwithsenia.com, you also are able to work very closely with the creators of this program. The biggest difference between the free and the paid is the processing fee. So because it's free, you don't have to pay anything. Really, what you're paying is at the end of the sale. So let's say that you are getting $100 a month from your product. They are taking $15 a month. For your $30 a month product, you are only getting 2%. And that makes sense. It's going to be something smarter than the 15%. So that's really the biggest difference. We're going to start and sign up for free. And here is where you can get started. My name is Senia MB. You can put your phone number if you want. That's totally an option. Create your free account. And here is where you can put all of your socials. I'm going to put my Instagram, my TikTok. Follow the prompts telling people a little bit about yourself, health and wellness, a little bit of lifestyle, social media, sprinkling in some beauty. Continue, you're going to select the template. You can totally customize these, but I'm going to keep it very simple. Let's go to new templates. These are very bright. Go to classic. I think I could do classic. Perfect. Look at that right there. Black. Good. Continue. I could totally customize this later, so I'm not going to do too much to this. You can add so many different things: tipping, shout outs, one-on-one meetings, and all of that. And I'm going to do one-on-one meetings. Continue. Now, with the pro plan, we talked about getting these two things. You can get your own domain like workwithsenia.com. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to skip it and keep this a free account. So there you go. Start with the basics. For today, they just added Afterpay. Let's get started customizing this. At the time of this recording, I actually have a link for you and a code. It is Work with Senia. You get 1 month free off the pro subscription. And the pro actually gets you a URL, like my lower fee from the platforms. Enter code Work with Senia for 1 free month off the subscription. Let's get back to the video. Make sure that you verify it in your email and have a 1 month free trial using my code. Work with Senia. Feel free to go upgrade now and use that code. Let's go ahead and start monetizing. So the very first thing you see right here is bio. So we're going to edit that bio, clicking right here and just start editing this. You can add your own photo or you can add your Instagram photo. I'm going to keep it super simple. Next, I don't want to do the mailing list right at the front. So I'm going to bring this all the way to the back. If you see these 3 little dots, there's a little hand. I'm going to bring it all the way down here. Add some more social links. Instagram. Let's go to Facebook. Enter URL. I'm going to bring it here. Save it. That's what you're going to do with all the platforms that you want. I'm going to put my YouTube. Do the same thing. So you can do your Etsy, Pinterest. You can do your shop. You can do literally anything to your own website. There's this Instagram for a custom link. I don't really want that one, so I'm going to erase it. But let's say I want to sell one-on-one consultations. It explains to you a little bit about what that is. So I'm going to add one-on-one to my page. Let's say that this is a one-on-one skin and hair consult. And I'm going to give the details. I'm going to recommend the best hair and skin beauty products. I highly suggest that you add a cover image, and this can be made in Canva I have this as an example, save that crop. And let's say this is a paid call because you're an esthetician and you want to make sure to give them that. Let's put the price for the call, 55. This is not going to be on sale, okay? And it's not free. You can add a coupon if you want, but in this case, I'm not. And this says set a date range for your availability. So you can book between a date range or you can set yourself available for a certain amount of time. I only want to have them book 14 days into the future. I don't want to work on Sundays. This is going to be a 30-minute call. Connect my Google Calendar on here if possible. Here are the rules of the availability. You can't be invited within 6 hours, 12 hours. However, I personally like to do 24 hours because I need a whole day just in case I need to move things around. And I usually like 10-minute buffer. You can do a Zoom that connects your Zoom specifically to add a unique code to the person that does that. You can add some custom questions like what products are you currently using? There you go. It's required and I'm going to publish it. Okay, so there you go. And I want to add it as a part of my blog. So let's see how it looks. So there you go. Okay, I'm not done here. I want to make it featured. The difference between featured and thumbnail is that it's going to be bigger. See, that's bigger. That's thumbnail and that's featured. So I want this to be on the top. So let's see, one-on-one meeting. Perfect. There you go. That is perfect. So actually I want to keep my socials. Ooh, let's add a few more things that I can monetize. Let's see. How about I want a Q&A? This is super fun. You get paid to respond to questions. So let's do it together. So here, let's say that you want like a pick my brain session. Let's say you're a coach and you want TikTok tips. People want answers from you, but they don't want to pay a whole coaching session. You can do this. Send a personalized video, 30 seconds to 2 minutes to your inbox. You can do either video, audio, or text. You can even add a file, like a little welcome video. Add pricing. I want to charge $20. Cool. You can add any questions here. We are going to add it as block because this is like, that video is like totally throwing me off. I'm just going to keep it as a thumbnail and I'm going to bring it right here under that one-on-one consultation. Cool. So this is what it looks like so far. I like it. Click here. They're going to go on the link in their bio. They're going to be able to click here. And there you go. That's the consult. They're going to click on the day, all their information, and then they pay at the end. I absolutely love this. Let's go back to Pick My Brain. Here's Pick Your Brain. This is a quick little video that says, hey, how are you? Welcome. You can pick my brain about anything that you want. All you're going to do is send your question in and I'll give you a quick tutorial. Oh, this is a question, $20 or more. That's the cool part. They can literally give you $50 if they want to. They give you a week to reply, okay? If you do not reply in a week and give them that information back, which you can do it in the same app, they'll just automatically refund your customer if something happens. Okay. Let's keep monetizing. Let's just say you want to do a live stream, basically like a Zoom call or something that is live and you can have them like a webinar, things like that. You can create that live stream. This is going to be very similar to how you set up your call. You're going to put your description of what exactly you're doing here, add a preview image, like a mock-up of some sort. You can even keep it super simple and just go in Canva and press live stream. Add the pricing. If it's free, you can also do that. Let's just $100 class, but you have it on sale because it's Black Friday or something. The new price is $19. The registration link, let's say you're only going to have 10 people be able to go to that. November 11th at 11 a.m., a 90-minute class. You could do a Zoom link. That's it. You publish it. Another thing that you can do to monetize your link in bio is tipping. People that want to send you money for being amazing, if that is something that you would like for your own page. Now that we have a few things, just remember that in my page, you can definitely customize. If you go to design, you can add, remove, make it a little bit more you, add a gradient. Like, it's so easy to customize and add your own fun fonts that they provide for you. If you're not tech savvy, just use the templates. Like a fun course or an ebook. Go to exclusive content and put new and exclusive content in course. This means like you can build an actual masterclass and upload it on here. You can do an ebook. You do have to connect your PayPal or Stripe. I personally have Stripe. It's just been easier for me. Upload some content. I have a video on how to upload your ebook onto Snipfeed. So take a look at that. Perfect. So I'm going to publish that. I want to show you. Add as a part of a carousel. So I'm going to create a carousel. This is where you can do it with your custom content. So I have this test. Now I'm going to add some more. The free one, but I'm also going to add the paid ones. I will show you exactly how it looks. Press publish. So here I made the product and I could say, choose the carousel. Well, it's this one. Done. So it's going to take me to this carousel and look how it looks. Carousel title. So right here on the bottom is ebook. So I want it to be next to the one-on-one. Let's make this an easier design. There you go. So you have the call, the normal call, but here is what a carousel looks like. So you have this one and you have this one. Well, let's say that this is my phone, right? So I come here and on my phone, you will be able to add it like a carousel. That is exactly how you set up the main things that you need for your Snipfeed, aka monetizable link in bio. A few more things I want to show you before you go set up your own. The resources tab, which has so many tutorials, help tabs. You can book an actual call with someone to make sure to optimize your page. You can also join a Discord channel, which they are actively talking to you and making sure to pump you up to continue building your business. The analytics tab, which is going to show you like who's clicking, how many clicks have I had? And a lot of these monetizing tabs will be unlocked to the pro. Once you're making money, like what is $30? What is the $27 that you are making to be able to unlock these analytics? You unlock all of this, what's performing the best. Your referrals, and I'm going to show you where you can find that referral, will be tracked as well. You get $20 every single time someone signs up with you. Here's where you can integrate any of your personal information, like your account, your email, your payment. Right now, they only have MailChimp at the time of this recording, but they're definitely going to be integrating something called Zapier if I use ConvertKit. So this is going to be a game changer for my business. And here's the fun thing that I was telling you about. You can get a custom domain with the pro plan, which is like workwithstania.com. Look at this stat. Get up to 37% more clicks because it looks legit. That is a little bit of how to set up your Snipfeed from start to finish. I wanted to show you the one that I am working with right now. It's workwithstania.com. This is the one that I'm actually using, the photo that I use on all my socials. Let me make it like mobile. So the very first thing, obviously you see my socials. My most important one that I like to focus on right at this moment is YouTube. It's my main. I have a free product and this is going to help me build my email list. It also has a bonus, which is 30 captions. As you scroll to the bottom, I have 2 other things that you can purchase, which is a Passions for Profit class. It's a whole masterclass with 3 videos and worksheets on how to find your niche. The track. Let's go to the tracker so you can just see it. This tracker is super amazing. I love it as a quick welcome video, more bonus captions. The second tab takes you to an outside link because I host my monthly membership on Teachable. You remember the carousel. This is what the carousel shows you. Here I have a one-on-one coaching link where it takes you automatically to a free clarity call. I get to integrate my YouTube videos because I want more views. Referral link that you can have someone else sign up and get $20 every time someone signs up with your link. I hope that this helps. I hope that you can start monetizing your social, even if you don't have a website yet. Like I said, should you get a website? Yeah, absolutely you should. But not everyone has the means right at this moment. Get started.
make money now. And as you continue growing your business, you can invest in someone to help you build your own website.
What did you think? Let me know if this was helpful. I hope that you can start getting to work. And I actually have a video of how to upload your PDF or your ebook or even your course. Make sure to click on that video and I will see you in the next.